How to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or opening. Hey, is your Battlefield 6 not launching or opening at all? Don't worry, here's how you can fix it in just a minute. First, you'll need to open the EA app on Steam, Epic if that's where you installed it. Click on Battlefield 6 to go to Manage and select Repair. Wait for it to verify and fix any missing files. This alone solves most launch issues. Next, click on Manage, then View Properties, then open the file location. Find the Battlefield 6.exe file. Right-click and choose Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Run this program in compatibility mode. Disable full screen optimizations. Run as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Now open the Windows graphics settings. Find the Battlefield 6, click it, and set the GPU preference to high performance. This forces the game to use your main graphics card. And that's it, your Battlefield 6 should launch perfectly now. If it helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Thanks for watching!